Oké, ik hoop dat het geluid allemaal goed is. Alright, welcome to day 12 of 100 Days of Code. Today I'm gonna repeat myself. I have optimized the first boilerplate code and I've put everything into the whole server I put into one file. The whole app I put the boilerplate all in one file. And I have two components I want to make and the home screen. So in total I only have 5 files I want to make, which is in total just 563 lines of code. And today I want to try and see if I can make it all really quickly by having the assumption that I know it from my head, and I don't know that, of course, so I'm gonna cheat. I'm basically gonna type in everything I read here, and yeah, I only need these files, these 5 files, and so it's really information dense, and I'm gonna put that here, and then in the end I will have the same project but way quicker. So that's the goal today. It's 5:30 already. I planned the whole day doing this, and I learned a lot of other stuff. So yeah, hopefully I can do it way quicker this way and learn something, because I repeat myself. So if you start typing, you start remembering. So yeah, that's why I do it. Let's go. I just created a directory. That's the only file I need. I will skip these steps because I will just assume that I know it from my head. Yeah, there are just some commands that I have to run, create a depository and stuff like that. So yeah, first let's just start by typing. Woo! This is so awesome. No, that's not what I want. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna define the first table already right now. Definitely gonna make some typos. And if I want here, I need a really good tool to see it when I'm not cheating, because that's gonna be way harder. But I will have, maybe. So these are the attributes. Yeah, looks good. Now I'm gonna delete all rows. Alright, so I just wrote the whole connector in one time. Now the resolver, because it makes a lot of sense, because I just got the post data in the post object. So now I can resolve using that object, right? So yeah, why would I do it in a different order? This is like a really logical one. So let's write the resolvers. It's just a constant. We got a query. It has a notation. Oh, I'm sorry, that's it. Okay, all the queries. Yeah, it's still that object, so yeah, seems good. This will even be more easy when I have the right tools, because now it doesn't report any errors. doesn't matter, but alright. So I just did the resolver. Now the schema. And maybe I can actually do the schema first, because I think that makes a little bit more sense to me. Yeah, don't know why. Let's see. Yeah, it makes more sense to me. This is like a sketch of what I did in the resolver. So yeah, next time I'm gonna do it like different, like this way. Does make more sense for me. So I'll do this. I'll do it right now. It doesn't matter. Just take some 10 seconds. Oh, Dot query post. Look, see, now I'm searching again. That takes time. All right. Now I just have to execute everything. I just made the whole server. Isn't that crazy? I was doing this in an hour last time. An hour or something. I don't know, I don't even need this. Oh my god, why is there an export? There's a bug. Still works, but it seems rather easy. Okay, so I need use a path. What path are we gonna use? Graph. Cool. See, I'm learning at the moment. And this is the request handler. Oh, it already auto completes it. Graphical express. No. Yeah, that's true. And I just made it myself. So yeah, use. Endpoint URL, body parser, JSON. And the schema. Oops, There we go. Cabra. No. Is that gonna work? That's the big question, of course. So now it's time to put on the console and well, add some dependencies. And then some dev dependencies. All these warnings, what's that? It also says that they need GraphQL. Well, I don't believe you. Yeah, no one. I think that's it. Alright, if you really want GraphQL, I'll just give it to you. Do I have it in here? No, I do. Oh, looks good. No, sorry. And then just need the start script. Looks good to me. Unfortunately, I have an error. That's wrong. Wrong command. Oh. Oh, I forgot a SQLite package. It wasn't even included. Yeah, well, it's just something you have to know. It's not here. Well, that's also something that my terminal tells me, so I don't have to know exactly. There's just one deprecated warning, but it seems to work. Oh, it doesn't actually. So what's wrong? Oh yeah, I did that wrong. Just a typo. Ha! Isn't that amazing? True. Oh yeah! Look how fast. That's crazy. Okay, so now we go back to here. Get back to up here. I want to ask, like, alright, so I just did that. Well, of course, I just have to test to create one. Oh. Seems good to me. Boom! That works too. So yeah, I did everything from this part. Of course, I don't use TypeScript, but I use Bubble. Prettier, I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't matter right now. We are here. So this one we're gonna do later. That's an optional thing. And let's just say for now that I believe all this, and this one also we're gonna do later. I just want to get into more coding. I really like it. So let's close it. We did that. And we're gonna open a new tab, keep the server running locally. And then we can start with the app. That's a little bit harder. Because I separated it into two challenges. First, I don't want to do all the boiler. I just want to make components and screens. And then I want to make the boiler. It doesn't make sense, so maybe I will change it around. Because, well, for now, this time I will just do the boiler first. Of course, I need to do this. And there are a lot of components in the boilerplate. That's also great, like that saves a lot of time if I don't do that every time again. If I get all these errors all the time. So yeah, will save a lot of time. Yeah, I can remember this. So I will just close this for now. I'll just copy everything from this one, and this one. So that's like actually about 462 files. So it's gonna be more than an hour, but I'm up for it. Let's do it. Just quickly do that. Actually, that's the wrong file. Sorry. All right. Of course, I'm still gonna start with an expo init. And then I guess we'll just start typing, right? Okay. Not this one, not this one, not this one, just this one. And then we always have source folder, which contains screens folder and components folder. The screens folder is going to contain home screen, JavaScript, components folder, cards, and something like that. For the rest, we just need app.js. Alright, let's go. So according to this, I don't need that. This is gonna be way at the end. The styles I don't need it for now. Let's just delete that. It looks nicer to be at the end of the file. So yeah, so first do the store imports. From Redux, we're gonna need create store, apply middleware, combine reducers. From below client, I'm gonna need network is okay. By the way, maybe it seems better to first install the dependencies. Actually, we probably have some more here. I don't like prop types, but we're gonna use it anyway. Feels great. So just have everything now. So let's start. It feels so good to be just doing one thing. And not copy pasting all the time. It's awesome. I really like it. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna do that screen. So let's start with the reducer. We only have one reducer. Still gonna put them in a constant called reducers. And it's a function that takes a client and combines all the reducers. And yeah, I don't have to look at documentation because I can read it here, you know. That's what I should get into. Looking good. And the problem is with this thing is that I can't test what I'm doing. So if I make any mistakes, I'm gonna be fucked. Probably. But maybe not. Let's see. We'll see how it goes. Especially with TypeScript, I'm quite secure. Preloaded state, we don't do that. And then the enhancer. I'm going to propose with dev tools. So first we have to apply the middleware. blah, 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 blah. Boom. So we just created the reducers and the store. Is that everything? I think I missed something. Yeah. Oh my god, that's bad. That's really bad. So I just forgot the whole network interface, and normally it should say this one is not defined. I should have gotten an error from that, so normally it wouldn't be a problem. Well, this one is still good. You can also use localhost, of course, but yeah. I wanted this one, this way. I really don't know what the fuck I'm saying here. They're just typing what I'm typing. Font weight string, yeah. I'm typing a string, good. I can see that. I don't know who they've written this for. For the computer? Or for me? So, let's see. Oh no. So that navigator is gonna have two objects. One is for all the screens, and I'm gonna do one screen right now. Oh. it's pretty much. Let's just end with a comma, then we can make mistakes later. Cool, it knows it. And we have to add. That's cool. I even did it shorter than the other guy. So the home screen, I want to see if it works. I want to see if app works first. No, I don't need to do that. Look at this. Mm-hmm. Can't believe it. I must get an error here. What? If this is gonna be without an error, then this is awesome. Wow, I kind of already know it's awesome. Hmm. Okay. Create network app interfaces undefined. So yeah, we can still debug here. We made a mistake here. Why not sure? And compare it. So I just put the files next to each other to see the difference. There isn't a lot of difference. Only thing here is the comma. That's fine. There is a space over there. They are kind of the same. They are identical. So it doesn't make sense. I'm gonna figure it out. So I did a lot of research and I ended up not finding any difference. So I looked it up on Google, which I should have done in the first place, because as you can see, it's actually a old GitHub issue that popped up again 7 hours ago, and yeah, I'm not the only one, so that means it's not my fault. So it was probably alright. So yeah, unfortunately I can't test it now, but I will continue doing the rest. And yeah, so as you can see, I just wasted half an hour when I have done all the rest in 52 minutes. That's crazy. So I'm gonna do the rest now, and I don't mind about this whole thing. I just assume that it works. So let's do the home screen then, and we're gonna try everything later. Sounds like a plan, right? First I'm gonna write down all the functions. That gives a lot of insight. I don't get it why this isn't blue. I probably made a mistake somewhere. But I don't see a mistake. That is a huge object. I hate that. I wish there was a way to make it smaller. There probably is. And then we're gonna export it. And attach it to the home screen. That's it. And there's the arrow probably. Ja, daar is die. 1 dubbele punt. Ja, als je een object opent, dan is de eerste altijd een dubbele punt. Oh, fuck, I'm talking Dutch. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's probably working now. It should be. Of course, it doesn't show that it's working. Oh. Also, I forgot this part. It's gonna be Let's start with WordPress and JavaScript. You don't have to do that. Cooled it. That's it. I have no clue how this works. Let's start it over. What are you doing? course, my cards are still empty and this one is still empty, so we have to make them. We should get the same error, of course. It's a huge problem. I'm just gonna sign off now. I'm quite tired, but I think I've proven that it's pretty quick to write code, and it can be even quicker. And yeah, let's see, let's analyze this. Is this a faster way to write code, or is it still better to copy and paste and change all the variables and chase all the bugs? I don't know. I will find out. Bye.